Part 10 of our Indian Constitution. This Part 10 of our Indian Constitution deals about the scheduled and tribe areas. So in this scheduled and scheduled tribe areas, Article 244 and 244A. So in these articles relating to the 5th schedule and 6th schedule. So according to Article 244 of our Indian Constitution, administration of scheduled areas and tribal areas. Administration of scheduled areas and scheduled tribe areas. So what kind of administrative system that is going to be existed and adopted in these areas which was constitutionally recognized as scheduled areas or scheduled tribe areas, that was explained about the administrative system in scheduled areas and scheduled tribe areas. So the provisions of the 5th schedule shall be applied to the administration and control of the scheduled areas and scheduled tribe areas in any state other than the states of Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Tripura. Other than the states of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. In these areas which was recognized as scheduled areas, scheduled tribe areas, that must be maintained full-fledged authority, administrative system according to Constitution. That was explained according to Article 244. And 6th schedule. The provisions of the 6th schedule shall apply to the administration of the tribal areas in the states of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. So Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. In these states, administrative system must be different for the development of tribal areas and scheduled areas according to Article 244, which that is constitutionally recognized. Separate administrative provisions inserted in this Article 244. Article 244A. Formation of an autonomous state comprising certain tribal areas in Assam and and creation of local legislature or council of ministers or both thereof. Formation of autonomous states. If there is any scheduled areas and scheduled tribe areas, so there is possibility to creation of local legislature or council of ministers or both thereof. There is possibility to create. In Assam there is separate assembly, in Meghalaya, Tripura, separate state created according to Constitution. There is tribal people. There is huge number of tribal area population resided in that particular location. So that was recognized as scheduled and scheduled tribe areas. There is possibility according to Article 244A, creation of separate state legislature or creation of council of ministers or both according to constitutional provisions.